Liv Kelleher joins us live tonight from Provo. And Liv, what conflict of interest is the defense concerned about?
Well, Heidi, it has been established in court that a member of the prosecution's team has an adult daughter who's a freshman at UVU and was present at the time that Charlie Kirk was shot. The defense has called into question if this creates some sort of emotional bias and if it's influenced the county attorney's office decision to seek the death penalty in this case. The defense motioned for the Utah County Attorney General's office to be disqualified from this case and for it to be referred out to the Utah State Attorney General. Judge Tony Graf denied this motion, stating that there is not sufficient evidence that the county's office is incapable of doing its job. Oral arguments then moved on to the specific prosecutor. Utah County Attorney General Jeffrey Gray was called to the stand to testify on this attorney's involvement in this case and his decision to seek the death penalty. He says this attorney, referred to as Attorney A, and his daughter's presence at the shooting did not influence his decision to seek the death penalty, and he does not believe it represents any conflict.
I do not believe that there's any conflict whatsoever. I made that conclusion. I stand by that. I mean, out of an abundance of caution, we certainly notified counsel out of an abundance of caution, and I think that's the appropriate action to take. So, again, I understand what conflict, the concern about conflict is whether or not it has any possibility of affecting your decision making as a prosecutor, and I didn't see how this does in any way.
Judge Graf says that he has not yet made his decision on whether or not this prosecutor will be disqualified, and he encouraged both sides to continue working on their case. Robinson will appear in court for the next time on February 24th, and that will be a virtual appearance. Reporting live in Provo, Liv Kelleher, KUTV 2 News.